Welcome to a fantastic video. This guy builds an incredible Mercedes using only old car parts. You will be shocked to see the final car. This is no ordinary project. It is a true feat of engineering. This is where the magic begins. The brand new fiberglass Mercedes body is carefully lowered onto the old chassis. To people fit the body with meticulous precision, the moment is like the largest piece of a puzzle falling into place. While the engine and chassis are waiting, the first glimpse of the legendary silhouette captivates everyone. Now, the scrapyard pieces have begun to transform into the legendary MERCEDES Gullwing. Now we come to the most iconic part, the gullwing doors. First, the door panels are meticulously fitted and the hinge points are adjusted. Every inch is crucial here, because these doors don't just open and close, they reveal the car's entire soul. That unforgettable image, gullwing spreading skyward, that silhouette, which has captivated car enthusiasts for over half a century, is brought to life again in this version. Just seeing this moment is worth all the effort. we come to the most recognizable part of the car, the grille. First, the old parts are removed, then the giant Mercedes star is meticulously prepared. The slats are individually trimmed, and the chrome pieces are assembled on the bench. Every detail is meticulously crafted to capture the spirit of the original 300 Sal. And once the pieces are in place, the car instantly takes on a facelift. The headlights and details aren't even finished yet, but it is clear what legend this body will become. Now it is time for the interior. The first step is to prepare custom fiberglass racing seats. They are individually measured and marked for both left and right. These seats will both add lightness to the vehicle and instill that classic sporty spirit. Then, it is time to move on to the rear. Metal parts are cut, holes are drilled, and new attachment points are added to the body. Craftsmen assemble the rear of the vehicle by individually fitting the handcrafted panels. This creates not only the exterior appearance, but also the authentic Gullwing feel from the inside. Now, the new wheel covers are being removed from the box. They are inspected one by one, wearing their protective tape. Then, they move to the car and the wheels are fitted. Each nut is tightened and secured. At this stage, the car's profile also changes. Wheel covers now appear on the side, in keeping with that classic Mercedes look. As the assembly is completed, the car gradually approaches the appearance of a true Gullwing. After the bodywork is complete, the vehicle is taken to the paint shop. All body details are covered with masking tape. The technician begins applying the first coat with a spray gun. Layer after layer of paint is applied, spreading evenly across the surface. At this stage, all the vehicle's lines become more defined. The classic lines stand out against the metallic blue paint. As the painting process continues, the Gullwing is now moving toward a true show car. Here is the result. By piecing together old parts one by one, this master craftsman has finally created a custom Mercedes Gullwing. When the doors open, the iconic Gullwing look is revealed, and with the body and chrome details, we see a classic reborn. If you'd like to see more projects like this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you on the next project.